have a few items to share with you guys. I was out shopping today, and probably on Monday I'll be out doing a lot of shopping again as well. So yeah, let's get into it. I went to a Michael's that I normally don't go to, and I found more of these books. So these are actually Christmas books that are over by the regular Happy Planner stickers. So I guess I just missed them when packing up grab bags. So these come out to, I think, $2.19 or something like that. So I had actually got a set of these before, and then I picked up a set for a crafty friend because she said she actually has the paper pad from a couple years ago that matches this. So I'm going to be mailing this out to her. So if you see these, go and snatch them up. They're, you know, say like $2.25. And then this one again is Christmas themed that was over by the Happy Planner stickers. And that's what this one looks like. Again, this one was like, you know, $2 and change. Super, super cute. So I'm really happy that I was able to find another set. And then Happy Planner has sticker books on clearance for $5. So what I did was I literally took all the sticker books they had and I went to the machine and I scanned them all. And then for the ones that did not ring up the right price, I did go and put them back. So I found this Christmas one. It's just Christmas is the title. And there was only one. I love this book. I wish I'd have found more because I love like this right here. Definitely would have got one for my mom. I love all these like little labels too. So I just think this one's really, really cute. Like you could definitely use this for scrapbooking as well. Like it has like the 12 days of Christmas countdown too. So I could definitely see using this for planner and for scrapbooking. It's really cute. So there's that one. And then this one is Grounded Magic. And these were the only two that I saw. But again, these are really, really pretty. You don't have to use them just for your planner. You could definitely use them in your scrapbooking. You know, if you have like a little garden, I thought that would be really cute. Where I could go ahead and like date and like label photos of my garden as well. So I thought that was really cute. So those are the only two that I found at this store that were on clearance. And then I found some more of these. They are 99 cents. They're up by the cash register. But if you check your app, the last couple times that I've gone, I've had a coupon for 20% off normal price items. So these come out to, I think like 80 cents in the end. So super cute. I've been telling you guys I want to do a Halloween swap this year where I will be hosting. So anytime I see these, I've been snatching them up because I'm like, they're great as if you're doing like little bag toppers or just like little banners. They're super cute. So I found two of those. And then I found a Genie. Look at how cute. And it does move, like the little glitter in there does move. So I thought that was really, really cute. So I didn't find him before. So I was really excited to find the Genie there. So I did go to Goodwill, and the books there are so expensive. So let's see. This one came out to $3. So Sunny Boy was with me, and he's found this one with the pigs. So I told him that I would go ahead and buy that for him. So we are probably going to cut up all these little pig images, and I need to make him a pig junk journal because my crafty bestie made him one and he says it's full, and I keep forgetting to ask him to get to me so I can show you guys. And then I found this little dump truck, but it has a piggy in here as well. So I thought that one would be good. I think this one was $2. I think it was $1.99. So I got that one as well so that we can have some little piggy images. And he loves animals. He's obsessed with animals. And then they had Peter Rabbit here that I was kind of debating on leaving. I mean, like, look, the jacket is all tore up. It says right here, like, it was on sale for $9. And they still charged me $5.99 for it. But I really wanted it. It's Peter Rabbit. I want to do a whole Easter project, like using the images from this book. I think would be really cute to show how you can take a book and then make like a whole little swap out of it, or a whole little like Happy Meal out of it. So that's kind of what I wanted to do with this. Although Easter is like on Sunday in a couple days, I have no idea how or where the time has gone this year. Like, time has just flown on by. So I went to Target looking for these. So they are coffee pod drawers. They're $5. They're from Target. And I saw It's a Deal here on YouTube say that she bought these and that she was able to put washi tape in here. So I was like, that's such a good idea. My crafting, which I haven't been in months because I can't get in there, I made a mess, is clear and white. So these have like a gray tint to them, but I'm like close enough. Oh, it's actually taped right here. So yeah, I wanted to like stick washi in here. That was really great. I only found 2, sadly. Oh, look, this one is actually open. I definitely wanted to get at least 4 because I figured I'd need 2 for washi tape, and then just to have 2 as extras. I want to put like glue sticks and then like Pokie tools and then beadable pins. So I thought it'd be nice to like get them all organized, and these will stack together. So once you get it stacked, it kind of like locks in place because this indents down and then this has like the little ridges right there. So I really like that. I need to go to another Target and see if I can find more of those because I really, really like those. I can definitely see myself using those a lot. Let's see. I don't know if you guys care about clothes, but I did go to Burlington and I found this really cute Stitch and Angel shirt. I love Stitch. I love Angel. She's so hard to find. Just like Stitch and Scrump's really hard to find. So anytime I see stuff like that, I definitely try to pick it up. And I hope this one fits. Let's see. This one was $9. It says it's a junior's top extra large. So hoping my fatty self can go ahead and fit into there. And let's see. This one was just a shirt for a Sunny Boy. That was $8. And then I found these. These were $2.99. Oh my gosh. And I bought it because I could tell that the holes are large enough that I can stick these on Pokie tools and possibly beadable pins. So I figured for $3 for the beads and the case, that was a great deal. But I just noticed that there's actually charms in this middle one, which I did not even notice the first time around. So that is a really, really good deal, you guys. For $3, I did buy 2 of them. They had a whole stack. They had like 10 of them. So I didn't mind taking 2 of them. So I think the same. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So that was a good score. And it has like the little elastic in there, the charms, and the beads. That is really, really awesome. Love that. That was a great little find there. And okay, so those were Burlington. And then I went next door to Marshall's and I found some Peter Rabbit napkins. Now, I'm going to be using these for crafting, not as napkins. And these were $4 and you get 32. Oh, wow. And they open up to 13 by 13. That's a lot of like crafty real estate in there. That's really big. So that's a good one. And then, of course, I found blue flowers. Y'all know me and blue flowers. I have to get them. Sunny Boy always buys me blue flowers for every special occasion. And these were on clearance for $2. And I get 40 of them. So that's really good. And when I decoupage with these, I take off the extra layer of the clear, like, white little ply. And this one says that it's 3-ply. And I've seen people stamp on that. Now, I normally just throw it away because I'm trying not to have, like, extra mess. But I might, you know, keep a couple of those single sheets and then go ahead and stamp on it like I've seen others do. And they kind of make, like, their own little napkin pattern. And I think it's really, really cute. So, I might have to try and give that one a go. But I definitely want to decorate. I have these wooden eggs that I got on clearance last year from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I thought they were right here. I had pulled them out. I'll have to look for them. So they were like wooden eggs that I want to paint. And then I want to put Mod Podge on. And then I want to wrap it in this blue flower. And then I can put an image on there. Because I saw a girl on Instagram. I believe her name over there is Pink Jasmine, and she was just painting her whole egg and then taking pieces of a book and just Mod Podging it onto the egg, and it came out so stinking cute. So I definitely want to recreate that, but I figured I would wrap it in the napkin, and then, you know, I could go ahead and put like a little Peter Rabbit on top or something, or, you know, maybe a little pig from the book. So that's my idea for those. So anyways, that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.